Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover your Ellipal Titan 2.0 account via a seed phrase. To do it, of course, if you want to do it as the second account on your device, then you need to go through the add account process, which is simply clicking on your account name in the top, then clicking on add new account, and now you'll have this question. And let's select recover via seed phrase. Now you'll need to enter your full seed phrase, and you need to have it written down. And make sure, by the way, that this seed phrase is stored in a really secure place and not on a device that has internet access at all, because then it will make no sense to have any like cold wallet if you store your seed phrase on an account on a device that has internet access. I'm gonna type it in and show you my seed phrase, just because the account I'm using here is a very not used account. I don't use it at all, and it doesn't have anything on it, so I can show you that, but really don't do it yourself. Don't show the seed phrase to anyone. Let's type in. You can see I have a picture on my internet accessing device, but that's only because I don't use this account for any type of money, any type of transactions. I don't use it. Then the seed phrase, you can see it can be just entered simply. So I need to enter the whole thing. I'm gonna get back to when it's done. Now, once I have it entered, you'll see a passphrase can be enabled. I'll make a different video about passphrases later, so if you want to learn more about passphrases, you can watch that probably. Then in account name, set the account name whatever you like. Password. Make sure that this password is secure. I'm doing a very unsecure password, but just so I don't forget it. But make sure that your password is actually secure. Now, once I click on recover account, my account is recovered successfully. All I need to do here is select different coins that I want to use, different currencies, click on OK, and now my account is set. If you wish, connect it to the Ellipal app, and there is a video on it on our channel. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.